Hey there, I'm a software engineer at a startup in London, and I'm guessing you clicked on this video because you want to become a more efficient software engineer, because after all, we all love a bit of efficiency, don't we? If you are a seasoned professional software engineer, then you're probably already going to know this. But if you are new to the game or even like learning how to code, this is going to be very useful for you. Simple answer is code often and code for long undisturbed periods of time. Okay, so let's start off with code often. And basically by this, I mean, make sure your times between you coding on something and the next time you code on that same thing is short as you can make it. So if you, for example, start coding on something on Monday, don't wait till Friday to look at it again. Maybe do it like every other day or something like that. This is so that you remember more of it the next time around. But what do I mean by code for long periods of time? Well, you are productive when you basically have the opportunity to have long, undisturbed periods of time to solve a problem. Imagine you're doing a tricky maths problem, say in an exam or something, and someone's there just constantly trying to talk to you. You're gonna have a really difficult time to first absorb what the question is saying and also try and get, the whole question in essence in your mental RAM to really, attempt to tackle the problem. The same analogy can be applied to you trying to tackle something in the software engineering space. And like I said, yep, the more you can fit in your mental RAM, the easier it'll get to actually solve the problem. Learning to code and you are strapped for time, then I would say it's best to infrequently code for 5 hours in a block than maybe spread those 5 hours consistently working on code, maybe 1 hour each day. So if you are to basically decide to do the 1 hour every day sort of situation, even though yes, you're putting the same time and I suppose effort into learning how to code, I would say that your actual rate of learning will be much slower this way, because every day you're gonna have to start from fresh and in essence boot up and then get everything back into your mental RAM and then work on the problem. Whereas if you had that 5 hour block, then technically only one of those 5 hours is that whole boot up and getting everything into your mental RAM situation. And then the rest of the 4 hours, you are free to basically plow ahead and, make changes and solve problems. It is a short video this week and I hope you learned something new. If you have, hit the, little subscribe button and like the video. Also drop a comment as well, what you think about, the way you should really learn how to code. And yeah, if you are new to your software engineering journey or learning how to code, hopefully this video helps you better understand how to really allocate your time better when learning to code. All right, well, I will see you in another video. Goodbye.